This is a film about Amanta, a sofa by Mario Bellini, an Italian designer, architect and visionary whose work helped shape a new expression of lifestyle. Not just through furniture and architecture, but a vision born in post-war Italy, a golden age of Italian influence in the design world, a time of ideas blossomed with style. Design became a language, bold, technical, colourful and human. Bellini spoke it fluently, and with it, he gave shape to a statement, the Amanta Sofa. He turned the sofa into a system, each module independent or connected, easily assembled or disassembled, influencing the way we interact and live with our furniture. Mario envisioned movement, versatility, and freedom. Today we bring that vision forward, using a shell crafted from at least 99% post-consumer recycled ABS and cushions made of 94% biomass balance foam, a wide range of textiles and a circular mindset. The Amanta Sofa is a dialogue. Soft meets strong, form meets function, art meets life. Bellini's original, seen through Hay's lens.